What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We had a day. We cashed not only the free pick, but VIP had a massive, massive day today, and I cannot be more happy about it. I told you guys that we were going to have a massive day. We were going to run it up, and that's exactly what we did. And to celebrate all of that, I'm doing a VIP NFL Sunday and Monday pass, 25 bucks, and that's going to get you all the plays for NFL Sunday and Monday. Games start early tomorrow with the I don't even remember who's playing over there. They're going overseas, but it is, let's see here. I want to say it's the Steelers and who is it? Yeah, Steelers and Vikings. They're playing in Ireland, Dublin, Ireland, 7:30 a.m. Mountain Time. But that's going to be an early game. Looking forward to that one. But let's jump into some of the wins. And this isn't even all of them. Some are still pending. Some are half green. We just had a massive day. So we turned this one into 5 into 30 over on Sleeper. If you guys are new to Sleeper, go and get ahead and get locked in over there. Use code 907fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match just for using code 907fantasy when signing up over there. We had a nice little 5 into 13 here on VIP. 5 into 12 here. We had a 5 into 8. We took the Ohio State Buckeyes money line. That one was a nice win. Georgia Tech, man, that one was an absolute sweat. That one went to overtime. Absolute sweat, but we still won it. Money line there. Won the money line for the Baylor Bears there. This is the VIP NFL Sunday and Monday pass. There's only 5 spots, so it's going to sell out fast. 25 bucks. That's going to get you all the plays. And as you can see, we hit one play here on any of these, and we're cashing. This one play, if you would have copied this one pay, that would have paid for VIP for the weekend, plus all the other winners here. So it's going to pay for itself, guaranteed. If it doesn't, I'll give you guys a week of VIP. So that's the guarantee there. Coming over here, though, this is the free pick from today, this morning. Dante Moore, we took him over 1 passing touchdown. He got 3. Drew Aller, they're just not a pass-heavy offense. They like to run the ball with Penn State, and took him under 216. He went way under at 132. And then Jeremy Bernard took him over 30 receiving yards. He barely got that one at 35. So nice cash there. But let's go to the free pick for today. That's going to be over here on Chalkboard. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, go ahead and get signed up and use the code 907fantasy. They're going to give you a free $20 on sign up, no deposit necessary. And what we're doing is we're coming over here, and first leg of it, we're taking Justin Jefferson. They're giving him a free pass here. He gets 1 receiving yard, and we win that one. That game is tomorrow, early morning in Dublin, or in Ireland, Dublin. So make sure to get this locked in over on Sleeper right away. And we're going to turn $10 into 20. And we're taking James Cook. Buffalo's playing New Orleans. New Orleans is a horrible team. They suck. Buffalo is one of the best teams out there. They're going to get an early lead. They're going to be playing from ahead. James Cook's going to be running the ball. So we're taking him over 70 rushing plus receiving yards. That's going to be a nice, just easy, absolute winner. So you go ahead and get signed up on Chalkboard. Use the code 907fantasy. They're going to give you $20. Put $10 of that on this play, and you're going to turn absolutely free money into, what is that, 40 bucks? So go ahead and get that locked in over on Chalkboard. Another free play for you today. I'm feeling good. Today was a good day. We're going to have another great day tomorrow. And so we're going to give out some more free plays for you. That's why you want to be over here on the Winible. I've given out multiple free plays. If you come over here and get signed up for the free plan, I'll give you multiple free picks for the day. week, all that. So you're going to get multiple free plays over there. Get signed up. Like I said, if you want the VIP NFL pass, that's going to give you 25 bucks for all the plays for Sunday and Monday. Coming over to Prizepicks, though, they have a free square for us over on Prizepicks. So we're going to take Jalen Hurts over 1 passing yard. And then let's go over here to receiving yards. There's a few that I'm looking at here. Okay. One thing about Philly's defense is pretty good, though, so we're going to stay away from that one. Coming down here. One thing about the Chargers, which is really interesting, Keenan Allen, he came back to the Chargers this year and basically kicked Ladd McConkey out of the wide receiver 1 spot. Even though he's still, Vegas is still like favoring him to go for the most yards. The last 3 games, really, he hasn't even been the highest targeted. We can see Keenan Allen's been getting those yards there pretty consistently of about 65-ish there. So Keenan Allen is one that we could be looking at. They're playing the Giants. I do like the Giants here. My only worry is Jackson Dart coming in and playing. Is he going to be slinging the ball as much as Russ was, or is he going to be running the ball more and getting pressured and just taking off and running? So I don't necessarily love the over here's for a lot of them. The Chargers also have a good defense. Chargers are actually pretty legit this year. Cleveland also has a really good defense. Let's come down here. Let's look at Kyron Williams. He's been getting those. I like him more for... No, what we're going to do is we're going to take Indiana. Daniel Jones is a wonder to the world, and he has been slinging that rock this year. So we're going to take... Let's look at here. I do like Michael Pittman here. Let's see if we can take him over 30 yards. Let's see what that. He's been hitting that consistently. We take him over 30 there. And then Puka Nacua. That is an easy win for us there. Let's go for the easy win for the free play. Let's see what just Puka does for us. 5 into 10. So I do like that one. It's free play though. Jalen Hurts is a guaranteed winner there. Oh, let's take a look here. What other games we got going on? Let's go to rushing yards. There's going to be some good. There's some solid running backs in the NFL. So the other free play for us today is going to be Jalen Hurts over 1 passing yard. Puka Nacua over 64.5 receiving yards. And then we are going to go with... Go with Jonathan Taylor over 64.5 rushing yards. So that's going to turn 5 into 1250. Does that not really change the? I guess it gives us. We're just going to go with this one. That's what it's going to be. I like the payout here. 5 into 10. Puka Nacua and Jalen Hurts there. So that is the second free play for you today. If you guys want more, go ahead and get over here on the Winible, the free plan. Get signed up for any of the VIP plans. There is a discount code for them. Discount code is Houston right now for these 3 plans, and that's going to get you 75% off. If you want to get on one of those longer passes, or just try out the NFL pass for Sunday and Monday. Get signed up. Good luck with all your plays today, tomorrow, I guess, or if you're watching it, depending on the day today. But we got some good games for today. It's going to be another great day of games. But let's go cash. Let's go have another amazing day. We went up over 10 units today So I'm looking forward to another banger day tomorrow. So good luck with all your plays tomorrow, today. And we'll catch you guys in the next free play video for Monday Night Football. Peace out.